This one, though, however, this one's so important. It's physical networking. You want to be able to meet with people physically. And I'll tell you how many leads I've gotten from the golf course. Where somebody's having a golf outing, you go on a golf outing, you meet different businesses that have come to the golf outing. We're just not going to play golf and have fun. Yeah, at times I do, no doubt about that. But you go to these events, go and get business cards. Go and give business cards, join your local chamber, join networking groups because other businesses are there. And as you mix with them and give your card and do events, maybe like ribbon cuttings, or you go to like events that after hour events that they have, then you get to meet other people the same old fashioned way. You get their business cards, you add it to your list, and you have generated a B2B, or if not a lot more B2B leads.